Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 2 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that can be included in the title, in the subtitle, or in the 7 keyword slots. Now, these keywords have been carefully selected and researched using 4 free Chrome extensions in order to validate their profitability and their success rate as well. If you are new to the channel, we do daily videos talking about profitable Amazon KDP keywords, as well as tips and tricks that I personally implement myself in my online KDP business, as well as selling print on demand and writing on a couple of platforms as well. So click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. With that being said, there will be a 30-day free trial for Canva, as well as a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica linked in the description box below, which you can take advantage of in order to kickstart your Amazon KDP business. Let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And our first keyword for the day is self-care and stress relief activities. This is an amazing keyword. It fits all the profitability metrics that we've indicated before. Now, if you're not familiar with the profitability metrics that we talked about, as well as the 4 free Chrome extensions, there will be a link to the video where I dive in deep, talking about how I do the research process for Amazon KDP, so that you'll be able to implement that exact step-by-step process yourself. Video link to the description box below. So our first keyword, self-care and stress relief activities, is an amazing keyword with a really strong keyword niche score from both ends of the top 2 Chrome extensions that we're using. First of all, we've got Titans, self-publishing Titans Chrome extension right on the top bar right here, which gives us this amazing detailed data. It has managed to give us a green light with a keyword niche score of 72 by Titans, as well as Amazon's Cat Pro has given us a number 9, which is the highest on the scale when it comes to the keyword niche score, number 9, categorizing this keyword as a great niche. Coming next to the total results, they're sitting at 660, below 1,000, which is also ideal. The average bestseller rank is also under 400,000, which is a great to see sign, and it is averaging 392,741. We have the average review sitting at 1,873, and we have the average price of $15.23. So I'm really happy with this keyword. It's ideally to be used for the 7 keyword slots or the title. Now, also, if you currently have any book that is already published in your Amazon KDP portfolio dashboard, you can go ahead and add in this amazing keyword for any book related to self-care or stress relief or healthy mindset, whether it's an activity book or workbook. Go ahead and add this wonderful keyword for these 7 keyword slots. This will really give it a boost in the algorithm, and this is something that I've also tried and tested many times, and it really helps these books that are not selling quite well that is related. Now, of course, I wouldn't go ahead and add this keyword as an update to the 7 keyword slots for a book that's not entirely related to self-care or stress relief. Make sure you stay consistent and make sure you stay relevant and give it a boost. Now, scrolling down, we are looking for some of the books that are selling quite well. This one's with the bestseller rank of 4,500. This one's 1,200. 37,000 is the bestseller. 18,000 as well. Scrolling down, we have 81,000. Now, this is a first example of a low content independently published book in 2023, and it is ranking under 100,000 as a bestseller, and this is also a great indicator. It is titled Stop Overthinking Activity Book, and it features 100 puzzles and ideas. Now, it's not specifically related to self-care and stress relief. It is basically a umbrella or a bigger niche, but they've indicated that this keyword is related, and they've also included it in the 7 keyword slots. It is selling around 60 copies per month, generating around $189 as a estimate as well. Next up, we've got a couple of other books as well. $492 as the bestseller rank. Now, this is Self-Love Workbook for Women, and it is selling a massive 3,330 copies per month, generating a massive 15,671 as number 2 for the bestseller. Next up, we've got other books as well with a really good ranking. So as you can see, this is an amazing keyword. Utilize it and you will not look back. Now let's dive into the second keyword, which is ideally to be used for the 7 keyword slots. I don't really want to rub it off the list because it does have potential, and we're going to share with you a couple of details to do with this keyword. The last keyword is password keeper book for seniors funny. Now this is a password book, but we're really specific here because we're sub-niching our target audience to seniors, to older people, and also we're sub-niching the theme to funny, so it's a humorous kind of password keeper. So maybe bear in mind that the cover will be introducing a humorous funny phrase as well. Make sure that the colors are ideally for seniors. Make sure that you can also be able to sub-niche to what kind of seniors. Are they seniors belonging to a specific like career? Are they senior teachers? Are they senior accountants? Also, are they senior males, females? That kind of stuff as well is a great opportunity for you to sub-niche. Now you can get lovely interiors for this keyword available in sites like Creative Fabrica with full commercial license. As long as you make some simple edits here and there, you'll be good to go. And the link will be in the description box below for that. The keyword niche score by self-publishing titans is 55, which is a great indicator. Number 6 also by Amazon's Cat Pro categorizes this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. The total results are under 5,000 and they're sitting at 4,680. Average bestseller rank is slightly on the higher side, which is why I've indicated that this is a great keyword to utilize for the 7 keyword slots because of its higher bestseller rank. And it is averaging 824,022, average reviews of 516, and average price is $6.58. Now I'm sure many of us do have a password book that's been previously uploaded on Amazon KDP dashboard, especially if you have been in Amazon KDP for a while, a year, 2 years for example. You would have come across creating a password book. That way you'll be able to add this wonderful keyword for the 7 keyword slots. And if not, it's never too late to create a password book as well. They're really high selling, they're super easy to create, and they're basically like a logbook type of book where people keep their passwords as well. This one's selling really well with 80,000 and 402 as the bestseller as well. Next up, we've got 216,000. We've got also other books as well, 119,000, 35,000 as well. Now this is selling 180 copies per month and it is generating $148 on a monthly basis. 25,000 is the bestseller. We've got others as well that are ranking quite well, as you can see. So these were the 2 top keywords for the day. One great for the title and subtitle. The next one, which is this one, password keeper book for seniors funny, is ideally to be used for the 7 keyword slots. I wish you all the best and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.